Today is Nerea's birthday. Shall we do a little race?
Whatever, we just want to get wet.
Oh, she's a believer too.
Sad in the rain, but it's been a good night.
This is the story of a sailboat named Sylvia and the ragtag crew that call her home. Join us each week as we explore our planet, both above and below the surface, and find out what it's really like to live a life at sea. This is Expedition Drenched.
Welcome to Vanuatu, a South Pacific archipelago made up of 83 gorgeous volcanic islands. After our 500-mile sail from Fiji, we couldn't believe that we woke up in one of the most beautiful of them all, Tana, such a magical place. The landscape goes dramatically from dense rainforests to arid volcanic dunes and ends in towering cliffs that emerge out of the water. Even if the people of Tana had been struck by several cyclones, they are the most generous and welcoming people that we have encountered in our path, making our stay unique.
Just woken up in Vanuatu and it feels so good to be out of civilization, back into the wild again. Just woke up to the sound of waves. Yeah, there's just a guy out fishing on his little wooden raft and the mountains and the volcano in the background. And also today is Nerea's birthday. It's all coming back to me now. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you making?
Birthday pancakes for Nerea. We have a little bit of sparkles for our birthday cakes. We're gonna put it on Earth.
I love when birthdays are on board.
Why?
Because I get a party, nobody judges.
Nate! ¡Woo! ¡Qué culo guapo!
Sad, neglected birthday pancake.
Yeah, she's sad. No birthday sex for her either because I tore her. Got left behind. He had to go fix his face. We're gonna get the whole community together to give her birthday spankings. I won't tell you how many, but it's a lot.
Awkward. It's awkward.
It's
how
a
many
walk.
it is.
It's an awkward amount of spanking she's gonna have to get. And our seacock on our sail to Samoa really blew up and made us so we started taking on water. And my main man Brett, we tried to fix it, but we had to just patch it up with some bungs. But got Sylvan on board and he felt up to the task, so we are slowly fixing.
What you doing, dirty man?
I am taking out the muffler of the generator because it's rusted right out. This is what's left out of the muffler.
All of it?
It's not really what you want your muffler to look like. But I think the problem was that it's actually a little bit low, so the salt water was coming up into it and rusting it out. Well, yeah, so it's corroded. We just got this out and it's got lots of salt build up and probably a bit of soot and stuff from the generator. So obviously it can't move the valve piece that's in there. We'll just try to clean it out. And so we got a new one, but it means that you have to take this off, which is going to be pretty hard. So yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So cute. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah!
Thank you very much.
Yeah!
With glowing sparkles and everything. Look, all the details.
Yeah. You're glowing on your birthday. I know you're tired, but you look great.
Yeah, that's makeup. Yeah.
I look as good as you when I'm your age, girl. Yeah.
I bet you do.
Oh, don't drop it. Don't drop it. Okay, forgot to take those off before we lowered it. That's small bad. These are our straps that hold the dinghy up high, and they're a pain. You have to take them off this way.
Like we got a professional pole dancer on the top.
Yeah! Your time to shine! Oh, and dismount.
Woo!
There we go.
Yes!
Demi Moore, still got it. Oh, we are going scuba duba diving. This is a very active and alive island, and you can see steam vents coming up everywhere. So to find one of those underwater, that would be really cool. Let's go check it out.
So this morning we had a little appointment with the fishermen, but they didn't really show up. Maybe, I don't know, maybe they're hard to get, maybe they forget us, I don't know what was going on. But we saw some other fishermen over there, and Emily and I are going to head over there and see if we can join them and maybe catch some fish. Hello! Are you now going to look for fish? It's too cloudy. That's a nice boat, eh?
Yeah, breadfruit.
Hello! Did you make the boat yourself?
Yeah.
Wow! Oh, from breadfruit. That's beautiful. How long does it take you to make this boat?
That's 2 weeks. Me?
Yeah.
No.
I'm Chloe. Nice to meet you, Tom.
This is your corals.
Yeah. Yes, I'm that fish.
Sun is out! We're going to see if we can find some fish. Shall we do a little race with her? 3. It's easy to talk for me since I don't have any pedals. Wow, come on, Emily!
The spot looks awesome, not a dive spot, or it is now. We'll put it on the map. You can see like little canyons going through the coral and whatever. We just want to get wet.
Just after submerging into the water, I was lucky enough to spot this little creature on a sandbar. At first, we thought it was a type of nudibranch or flatworm, but we looked it up and it was neither. It's a blue velvet head shield slug. We were captivated by its mesmerizing dance. struggling a little bit on my birthday because I kind of didn't recover from the cruising. I'm dying. I wasn't able to sleep last night, but everybody's helping me and cheering me up. Jordan is joining me.
We just have embarked on our mission of Operation Celebrate Nuri's birthday. And Sylvan was so kind enough to bring us some delightful vodka from Poland because he went to Poland to visit his family that he doesn't really get to see very often. And let's officially kick off the birthday celebrations.
Let's go.
Yeah.
After some liquid courage, we decided to go surfing on the reef.
I warn you, if you come on this boat, you're gonna get vlogged, so.
Hey man, Simon and Rachel, yeah. We're off Rahati from New Zealand.
New Zealand and?
America.
Nice, nice. Our peoples! You! Come on board. Oh, she's a
never
bleeder too.
Like, party wave, let's go! And me and Sylvan both paddled out and she paddled in and got smashed on.
So the theory is the bristles brush all the shit away. Is it getting less?
I don't know.
No.
It's getting more for me, so keep going. Birthday dinner? What do we got?
I'm making cassava fries, and then you boil it, you chop it up and boil it with the skin on. And once you boil it, the skin just peels right off. And then you cut the core out, you cut the middle section out, and chop it up and fry it.
I gotta say, I like it more than French fries.
Yeah.
You do too?
It's like a healthy French fry.
There's so much. There's
It's
like
really
so
tasty.
much like more flavor, huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
And what are you working on?
Some traditional sweet potato. I'm cutting it up for some Spanish omelette.
This is like a potato factory.
Yeah,
What are you doing?
so I'm peeling the sweet potatoes. Normally we should do it with normal potatoes, but we found sweet potatoes and I hope I can make it without any help. But yeah, we'll make it. We'll make something out of it. It's with sweet potato and Maria already noticed, so I hope she will be happy because we're doing a lot of effort. But I think it will be alright.
I think it's an upgraded Spanish omelette, and I think everybody will love it. So I'm happy. I'm super happy.
Yay!
It's an Islander Spanish omelette.
Yeah.
What you got?
Palo Santo. It's Peruvian sacred wood, and it's got a really nice smell. And it's supposed to cleanse every place you light it in from evil spirits.
You lift me up, I'll follow you to the end of the earth.
After cleansing Sylvia from evil spirits, we were running out of daylight, so we needed to finish cooking, pack our dinner, and go on shore to start a bonfire.
I brought all the memories out, headed toward the setting of sun. Fall leaves another season, I'll let it go. Oh, oh, oh.
What is your favorite thing about this night?
I actually love that we're all together and having a bonfire, and it was a big mission to take this picnic here, but I think it's nice to share it with everybody and have a nice drinks and just enjoy the evening.
Celebrating a birthday tonight, which is pretty groovy.
The sky, stars are bright, and we're just having a good time now with friends.
Yeah.
On the beach, outside, in the wild.
The confusion.
What's your name?
My name is Tana. I'm so glad to hear my birthday girl.
She's the present that I got.
You lift me up, I'll follow you to the end of the earth.
We just covered the fire. We're gonna head back. It's starting to rain. But it's been a good night.
Indeed. Thank you everybody for such a great day. Next time in Expedition Drenched, join us as we go off-road in the various landscapes of Tana. What a fun ride!
This is $2. This is the biggest papaya.
And we enjoy one of the most powerful custom dance that we ever seen.
It's the key to every shit job. Music!
I think that's got some corn in it. That's a healthy food.
Healthy food.
Yeah, smooth move.
There she goes. There she goes.
If these columns were really confidence, I would say XXXL, but they'd be really small to give you confidence. That's what they would do.
Yeah, don't be afraid of that elbow either.
Like my elbow?
Your elbow.
In there. Okay.
Oh.
Like in there like that.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't like Katy Perry.
He's saying he doesn't like Katy Perry, but he loves Katy Perry.
Scary people around us.